Rocking Around the Christmas Tree, easy tutorial for beginners on guitar. You're going to start on an open G, 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 A, G, A, G, G, A, B, A, F, D, B. Then A, B, B, A, B, A, G, G sharp A, F, E. And you can do a C chord. Then G, 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 A, G, G, A, B, A, F, D, B. And then G chord. And then A, B, B, A, G, G sharp A, B, C, and C chord. Then you go to an F chord and A, G sharp A, G sharp A, C, F, A, B, G, E, G, B, and then A minor, B, B, C, B, C, B, A, B, C, and then B, C, B, A, and then G, A, B, G, back to like the beginning, and ends. Keep the music coming. See you in the next video. Bye.